right, hey, welcome to our home. My name's August.
And I'm Jill.
And this is our 2015 Ford Transit van. We had it converted four-wheel drive by Quad Van out of Portland. And how about we take a peek inside? So the van was just an empty cargo van when we first bought it. And we've done all the work ourselves. You know, putting in windows, roof vents, pretty nerve-wracking stuff to cut a hole in your van when it's brand new, but we think it's turned out real good. Most of the construction is with this 80/20 extruded aluminum, which just has been a really nice component to work with. Makes adjusting and moving things around really easy. We have 300 amps of lithium living under here, and then we have 600 watts of solar on the roof from Zamp Solar. We've been really happy with the lithium. We do a lot of winter camping, and the lithium's worked really well for that. Underneath here we have our diesel heater, and that's just piped into the diesel tank, so pretty easy and effortless heat when we need it. A little bit of storage under here. We've got our inverter under there as well. Having a comfortable place to work was pretty important for us, so we have this little nook for eating and getting some work done since we work full-time out of here.
All right, well, welcome to our kitchen here. We have got a great induction cooktop that we really enjoy. Previously, we had kind of a camp stove that we'd have to pull out, so we've really enjoyed having a stove that's usable at all times. We got plenty of storage. These just pop open. They are held here by these brackets, so it's nice that they're not falling on your head or anything when you're trying to get your food out. So plenty of space up here. And we've got a pretty good sized fridge for a van, I would say. Most people opt with a smaller fridge, but we have found the bigger fridge to be perfect for us. And we did install a bathroom. So we've got a shower, we've got a cassette toilet. Before, on our previous build, we did not include an actual shower, but we found it to be very, very, very nice, especially after biking. It's nice to be able to get a quick shower before hitting a brewery or something.
The bed orientation too, so we're actually sleeping sideways instead of lengthwise, and we can just fit. I mean, I'm 5'8" and it just barely makes it. You can actually buy these pop-outs that give you an extra 4 inches on each side, but that really helped free up the space, and that's really what allowed us to put in that shower, was switching our bed to that orientation.
Yeah, we played with the spacing quite a bit, taping off how big the bathroom should be, and we can also in the winter put our skis in here, so it's really nice. We've got little hooks here, so it's kind of ski boot storage, so you can just, it's got a drain, so you can just let the snow all fall in there, so that's great. Then we've got storage above the bed with just kind of got some boxes here that keep all of our clothes. We've got, I kind of have a cold weather one and a hot weather one, and then also storage here. So we have plenty of storage for clothes, actually, believe it or not.
All right, well, welcome to our garage. We also call this our Yeti den here for our favorite Yeti bikes. I mean, this area we basically built specifically around our bikes. It's just kind of what we love to do most. We have quite a bit of storage on the doors here. We kind of keep our bike gear out there just so it can kind of dry and air out. And then we've got just a big roll-out drawer that we built And you know, we've got a sup board, we've got kind of our backpacking camping gear back on that shelf, and then you can see that hot water heater back there. That's been a real kind of popular thing that we've done, and it's just a residential hot water heater, but we swap out the heating element to a 12 volt, and boy, it works great. It's just, I mean, we can run it off our solar. We've been really happy with it. You can also see back there we have a 50-gallon freshwater tank, and we just left that kind of open to view so it's easy to check level. We thought about covering it up, but you know, it just works fine the way it is. Hey, well, thanks a ton for taking a peek at the van with us. We hope you enjoyed it. You can reach out to us on outsidenomad.com. That's our website. And then, of course, we're at Instagram at Outside Nomad. And we do have a few articles about our build on the website, so if you have any questions in particular, please reach out to us. We'd love to chat with you. Thanks again.